Good morning and Happy New Year. It's snowing, sleeting. If you listen real careful, you can hear it hit the convertible top. It's about 15 degrees right now, which is 43 degrees cooler than it was yesterday when I made my video. I drove to breakfast this morning in two-wheel drive. Did not have any issues, but of course I drove about 10 miles an hour under the posted speed limit. Alright, driving home from breakfast. We are getting massive amounts of sleep. I don't know if you can see it hitting the windshield, you should definitely hear it. My wipers are pretty I'll probably pull over up here at the public utility and knock them free. Alright, I'm gonna wait until I get to the crest of this hill. Mount of the driveway here. It helped. So what I'm doing now is I'm letting the wipers warm up the wiper blades on the warmth of the windshield to help melt some of that ice. What happens is you start driving, all that cold air is moving over the windshield and it gets cold, and all that ice builds up because it can't melt. to set in second gear. There's one thing I like about a manual. You can control your wheel speed. Alright, well, made it home from breakfast. That's always a good thing. Go in and let the weather do its thing. Anyway, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up, and if you haven't, do subscribe. It helps my channel. I appreciate it very much, and I'm appreciative of all of my subscribers.